Hello guys, today I will show you one of the mods which I've done for my SAIGA in 545. If my SAIGA in 223 was upgraded for IPSC training, SAIGA in 545 was done for tactical training. To install my red dot and magnifier, I need a high quality side mount. And there are a lot of side mounts like RS Regulate or Midwest Industries. But because of sanctions, it's almost impossible to buy it in former USSR countries, or prices will double. So I was limited in choices with companies in Russia. There are a couple good side mounts from Zenitco or copies of RS Regulate, but I bought SAG side mount. It was cheaper, but quality in my opinion is higher. SAG is Sureshot Armament Group, company which is originally based in Russia, but as I know, you can find their products in USA. As stated on their website, side mount weight is 170 grams and is done from one piece of billet aluminum. It has ACOG interface, but mine is one of the early products which doesn't have that interface. Also, there can be QD, but mine doesn't have. Design of the side mount allows to install it to any AK side rail with or without vertical screw cut. Folding stock on my SAIGA doesn't fold to the end. I can disassemble AK without detaching side mount, and I will demonstrate you. Okay guys, thank you for your attention. Please subscribe and make some likes. Bye.